In this video, we are to compute question on ARIMA model. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Here we are asked to find ARIMA 101. Of course, we note that this is our P, this is our D, and this is our Q. So if we write the model for ARIMA, ARIMA PDQ is equal to 5B. We have the differentiation parts. We have our time series to be equal to. We have the moving average part, which is B, and AT for ARIMA. Now, for this part from the question given, we have 5B to be equal to, this is just 1 because the whole of this part is P. The whole of this part is our difference, and the whole of this part is Q. So we have 1 minus, since it's just 1, we have 5, 1, then B is supposed to be 1 here, but we can still write it like this. Then for the differentiating part, we have 0, which is our degree of difference is 1 minus B raised to the power of, we have 0, so we put 0 here, which is equal to 1. Also, we have our moving average part. Our moving average part is equal to 1 plus theta 1 B, and it's supposed to be 1 here. So if we are writing this ARIMA 101, ARIMA 101 will now be, we bring this part, which is this, is 1 minus 5B, 1B, into our difference is 1. Then we write our time series, which is equal to, this part is this. So we have 1 plus theta 1, then B, ET. So if you rewrite this well, we have our ARIMA to be 1 minus 5, 1B, ST to be equal to 1 plus theta 1, B, ET. So this is the model for ARIMA 101. This is how we can compute the model for ARIMA 101. What you need to do is just to spread this out, write them and know what it is. Once you finish writing them, you now put it in this form. You get your answer. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.